Hello guys, I'm Sounder. So I made a contraption a few weeks ago, and I thought it would be high time to document that. So here I am. So the problem statement was that I had a nephew in my home. He was 4 to 5 months old, and as being the next youngest person, I was entrusted with the responsibility of taking care of him. So he used to wake up and make no noise, and twice or thrice he moved around and fell out of his cloth hammock and hurt himself. So I thought I have to somehow um, make me aware of his awakeness without disturbing him. Also, had it been a false alarm, he would be disturbed. So I didn't want motion sensor, to give out a buzzing sound that will, wake him up even if he's not awake, even if it had been a false alarm. So I wanted an alarm to be on my side. So I wanted to receive it on my phone, because I would most probably be on my phone while being away from him. So what I made was a web client, Wi-Fi client. It was connected to my home Wi-Fi through SSID and password, and it received data from an accelerometer, which measured the y-axis and the z-axis. So I formulated a function of his movements by analyzing his repeated movements over the course of 2 days, and I came up with the function, and I set a threshold value that if he moves for more than 6 centimeters in the y-axis and for a particular amount of distance in the z-axis for set amount of time for say 10 seconds, and he repeatedly does this for twice or thrice, then I trigger an alarm that updates a value in my online database, and my phone has an app that keeps track of the status in that particular database, the status of that database. So when the status is changed, my phone is aware of that the status has changed from sleeping to awake, and then it sounds an alarm, awakening me or intimating me that he is awake, and I go tend him. So let me just show you guys how that works. Behind me you can see the setup, which is 1:2 scale down ratio of the actual setup of the cloth hammocks, which is used in India to accommodate sleeping babies. So in this app you can see the status as he's asleep, and a picture of him, and an override button. I'll explain to you how it works in a minute. So here, if you see, the contraption is far beyond the reaches of his small hands, and I've also made sure that all the electrical equipment is away from his premises, even if he manages to get out without my knowledge. And wire, the only thing which may be of reach to him is the 5-volt DC wire, which will be of no harm to him at all whatsoever. So when he is awake, he used to make some random movements that when it's persistent for a period of time, my phone gets an alarm stating that he is awake, and when I receive the message and I have to stop the alarm, I can go for the override button that manually updates the value in the database as he is asleep. That's all, my guys. The codes and explanations will be on my blog.